Doors. In this video, you will learn how to apply doors to an existing room. Tap on the tools icon and select Doors. Tap and drag preferred door to desired location. As you move your finger, the door will adjust to wall direction. As for the different style, they all have the same effect, so whether it's a common door that swings left or a door with no leaf, your estimate will be the same. Make sure you adjust your door properties such as width and desired location as needed. Note, MeasureSquare can estimate your product halfway into the doorway. For example, I have my wall set at 6 inches thick, so my product will go in 3 inches on both sides. Estimate your transition based on door length. Calculate your room perimeter to estimate for linear base or quarter round. The system will subtract your door width from the room perimeter. If you don't want the door detail window to appear each time you place a door, you can always turn the feature off in your settings. If you would like to learn how to add doors as your draw, refer to our free draw video for more details.